What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the donation series. First of all, I want to say thank you so much for watching these series because your view is the donation. So what I'm planning on doing, hang on, this isn't right. You can't talk about this in the garage. This is bigger than that. We gotta go somewhere. You ready? Here we go. We're back, everybody. We're at the absolute perfect place for me to tell you what's going on. So I did do my research on a couple places.
I want to be sure to enjoy today while visiting this land tomorrow.
But I felt that this one here is probably the best place that I could come to make this announcement. I mean, I'm out here, it's a great morning, it's not hot yet. If you've been following along with Facebook, Instagram, all that kind of stuff, you'll know that what I did was I took the money that I'm making off of my videos here with the donation series, and I'm donating it. Before I even get really too in depth with anything, I just want to say that I'm not a partner, I am not sponsored, I'm not an employee of the nonprofit organization I'm about to discuss. I did reach out to them just to make sure that, you know, by me doing the donation and coming on here talking about it, that it was going to be okay, and they said that's fine. So I'm happy to announce that the first $500 donation was given to the Turtle Hospital down in Marathon Key. One thing I would like to say is thank you to Betty down at the Turtle Hospital and all the staff members that work down there. How I came across you guys is we came down on vacation one year. We stayed down in Marathon. We saw the Turtle Hospital right there on the side of the road. We decided to pull in, go for a tour, and I gotta tell you, your place is amazing. We had a great time. Learned all sorts of new stuff that we didn't even imagine. So if you got, you know, your family down on a trip and you're going to Florida Keys or something like that, I highly recommend, if you're watching this, go over and check them out. Spend the day there, take the tour, get you some merch. So again, to everybody at the Turtle Hospital down there in Marathon, you guys are awesome. Appreciate what you do. Keep up the work, and hopefully with videos like these I can keep giving you guys the donations that you guys need to help you out. And like I said, I'll put a link down below. You guys definitely go over there, check them out on their website. If you're in the area, again, take the tour, good time. To all my normal subscribers, don't worry, Jeep content is coming back. Just kind of taking care of some other stuff in the meantime, looking at what I'm going to need for certain projects to get things done. So don't worry, normal content will resume, but I can't really say it's normal because I try to do whatever, you know, whatever comes to mind with my videos. So I think by doing the donation series, you know, I mean, money's tight right now. Gas is $5 a gallon. So to be able to help out nonprofit organizations at this point in time can be very tough for some people. And the nonprofits, you know, they rely on that kind of money. So I guess this is my way of making sure that nonprofit organizations, you know, can keep the fundings that they need to keep doing the stuff that they do. So just by you guys watching these videos, you know, that allows me to be able to help them, and it allows you to be able to do the same just by watching the video. I'll put a link in the description down below. It'll be to the Turtle Hospital's website. If you feel that you got the extra money to you know, do your own donation or whatever, that's wonderful. I highly encourage it if you can, but if you can't, just watching this video, sharing it with your friends, the more people we can get to see these kind of videos, the more donations we can make. Well, everybody, I like to keep these donation videos a little shorter, just because I know, you know, it's not typical content that everybody wants to see, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching these videos. It really helps out to give the money you know, to these nonprofit places. I did reach out, like I said, before I make any kind of donations to them, I always reach out to them first to make sure it's okay. I did have a couple local ones. You know, I'm from Missouri, tried to make a couple local ones before. They just said they didn't want to be a part of it, which is fine for whatever reason. Again, I've got a couple more that I'm looking into, and I think they're going to be really good opportunities to help out. So, you know, by sharing the videos and spreading the word, we're able to bring in more views, create more revenue, and then I'm always going to keep passing that money down to nonprofits. At any time, like I said, you can come back, click on the donations playlist and check out all the videos in there. There's always going to be updates on things that's going on and where the money's going. But like I said, without your help, none of this is possible, and I greatly appreciate you guys, you know, watching the video, sharing the word, spreading it. Check it out on Facebook, Instagram, spread it as much as you can. But my goal is just to keep the money coming in and then sending it right back out to help out these nonprofits. So I'm excited. Can't wait to keep doing this more, keep giving you guys the updates that you need. But for now, I gotta figure out how I'm getting home because I don't have any money anymore. I guess it's either gonna be swim or walk. So yeah, it's about 1,000 miles home. Let's get started. As always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, share the word, spread the page, all that kind of good stuff. And we'll see you in the next video.